Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be opening up a Blizzard Entertainment Legacy Collection booster box. And in this box there are 8 cards per pack, 7 packs per box. You can see the artwork right here in front. On the side here it says Score Blizzard Legacy Collection Base Set Molten Core Parallel cards. Novaterra, that must be one of the cards. Discover Art of Samwise cards. Not too sure what that is. And let me go ahead and read this one out. There are Blizzard Legacy Collection Horde Parallels 1-1, Molten Core Parallels 1-70, insert cards of Art of Samwise 1-140, Ultimate Ready 1-140, the Innkeeper's Collection Classic 1-140, and yeah, those are the ratios right there. So I don't play too many Blizzard games, but I do play a lot of Overwatch, so I do have my newer Funko Pops here of Kiriko, a healer, Sigma, a tank, Echo, a DPS, and Junker Queen, another tank. So hopefully those Funkos could give us some luck on our pulls. But let's go ahead, let's open this up, let's see what we could get. And yeah, hopefully we get something good. All right, 7 packs. You can see Sojourn, which is actually a DPS character of Overwatch. But anyway, pack 1, let's go. Radical Psycho Machine Racing, RPM Racing. Okay. We've got Wrecking Ball. We have Ash. The Lost Vikings. Oh, this looks like a Horde card. It says Horde right there. Anduin Rin, or Rhine, from World of Warcraft. Rakanoff from Diablo. Adria, or Adria, from Diablo. And Jaina Proudmoore from World of Warcraft. Very cool. Thrall from Hearthstone. Magni Bronzebeard from Hearthstone. Sergeant Hammer, Heroes of the Storm. Elise Starseeker from Hearthstone. Ner'zhul. This is a Horde parallel from Warcraft. Egwin from Warcraft. Grommash Hellscream. Grommash Hellscream from World of Warcraft. Novaterra from StarCraft. Very cool. Echo Funko Pop from Overwatch. Anna, also from Overwatch. RPM Racing. We have a Widowmaker. This is a Horde parallel. We've got Banshee from StarCraft. Alaria Windrunner from Warcraft. Kael'thas Sunstrider from Warcraft. And Nerazim Dark Templar from StarCraft. Let's keep it going. Anub Arak from Heroes of the Storm. Got Pharah from Overwatch. Tracer from Overwatch. What is this? Horadric Cube. Ooh, I'm not sure what this is. It looks like you could actually pull this out, but I think I'll leave it here for now. Yeah, I'm not too sure what this is, but it looks like you could pull this out and maybe make a cube out of it. Horadric Cube, Ariel. But I'll leave it intact for now. Anyway, Mal'Ganis. This is a Horde parallel from, and Mal'Ganis is from Warcraft. We've got Lilith from Diablo. Thrall from World of Warcraft. And SCV from StarCraft. Three packs left. Nemsy Necrofizzle. Very cool. From Hearthstone. ETC from Heroes of the Storm. Greymane from Heroes of the Storm. Lunara from Hearthstone. We have a Baptiste from Overwatch. This is a Horde parallel. Uther Lightbringer from World of Warcraft. Jim Raynor from StarCraft. And Maeve Shadowsong from World of Warcraft. Gul'dan from Hearthstone. Malfurion Stormrage from Heroes of the Storm. Manaroth from World of Warcraft. Dark Wanderer. And this is from Diablo. This is a Horde parallel. Arcturus Mengsk. Arcturus Mengsk from StarCraft. Malthael or Mathael from Diablo. Zoltan Kulle from Diablo. And Zeratul from StarCraft. All right, last pack. Let's go. We have Garrosh Hellscream from Hearthstone. Rock and Roll Racing. This is from Rock and Roll Racing. Okay. We have a Cassia. from Heroes of the Storm. Ooh. There's some type of wave to this. This is Lily. And this is a Molten Core parallel. And Lily's from Hero of the Storm. So Molten Core parallel is a 1/70 pull. Very nice. Let me go ahead and sleeve this up and top load it. Take a look at that again. This is Lily. Molten Core parallel, 1/70 from Heroes of the Storm. Very nice. Okay. We have Arthas Menethil. This is a Horde parallel, and Arthas is from Hearthstone. We have Diablo from Diablo. Zul'jin from Warcraft. And Imperius from Diablo. Very cool. All right. So we'll just go ahead. We'll do a quick recap of our pulls. We got a Horde parallel of Baptiste from Overwatch. We got a Horde parallel of, let me go ahead and read it in the back, Arthas Menethil from Hearthstone. And Mal'Ganis from Warcraft. Do this one later. We have another Horde parallel of the Lost Vikings from the Lost Vikings. We got Ner'zhul from Warcraft, another Horde parallel. Dark Wanderer from Diablo. Widowmaker from Overwatch. We have this Horadric Cube, Ariel, and it looks like you could, again, take this off of the card and turn it into a cube, which we will not do right now. We'll just leave it intact. And our hit of the box is Lily. See that there? Pattern in the background. Lily is from Heroes of the Storm, and this is a Molten Core parallel. Very cool. Very happy we got this hit. Wasn't sure if we were going to get any big pulls, but this is for sure it. So, yeah, very cool. All right. Well, thank you for joining in. I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Thanks, and bye.